Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rachit Singh, a REST support engineer. Today I will show you how to write professional email using AI with my own website. So let's get started. This is the web page I created using AI. Let me show you how it works. I have opened my website. Now let me show how it work. I will enter a topic and the AI will automatically generate a professional email in just a few seconds. This make writing emails fast, easy. For example, I need to apply for leave. I first need to enter a subject. I will type leave letter and the AI using generate a professional leave Gmail for me automatically. Here I am typing leave application as the subject. Now I will click on the generate email button. As you can see, the AI has instantly generated a complete professional email for us. As you can see, the email has been generated successfully. Now let's try another example. That time I am entering one day leave as the subject. As you can see, the AI has generated a professional one day leave email. Now let me show you how I build this website. I will explain everything step by step so you can understand the complete process and create a simple AI powered email generated on your phone. You can see the complete code in Notepad. This is the tools I used to build this AI email generator. If you like or get these tools, it's available for just 29 rupees. Let's try one more example. This time we generate medical leave email. Our email has been generated successfully. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like,